You're welcome to my channel. This is VSM Designs. Today, I am going to take you through the steps on how to use Aso Oke to sew Agbada. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Don't also forget to share this video to your friends and colleagues who might be in need of this. If you are a returning fan, thank you for your support. So I've just folded the Aso Oke in two, and measuring it, this is around 33 inches. This means that when you unfold it, you are going to have about 66 inches long, and this is around 21 inches width. So I have other ones. As you can see, what I'm going to do is to place it this way, just as you can see here. Then I will also place another one by the side. I am going to join them here. You can decide to do stitch and turn. You can decide to join them, to overlap them and join, but it will be better you do stitch and turn. But here what I did was overlap joining. So when I measure it, this is about 40 something, which will not be enough for the width of the Abada. So first of all, I'm going to join this. So I've joined three pieces of the Aso Oke together. Let me go ahead and double fold this so that you'll be able to see it very well. So obviously, this is the length of the Abada, and this is about 31 inches, which is not enough for the full length of the Abada that I'm making. The full length of the Abada I'm making is about 43 inches. So I'm going to cut this place off. I'm going to cut the end off. So I have to mark it off to make sure that the both sides, the both ends are equal. So I mark it and I drew a line across, and of course I went ahead and trim it off. Now it's time to join another Aso Oke on both sides of the down part where I trimmed off, and I've just done that on both sides of the Aso Oke. One side will be the front, while the other side will be the back of the Abada. It's very important for you to note that once you match iron on Aso Oke, that it shrinks. As you can see, the places I'm dropping the iron, you find out that it shrinks. So I will advise that you make use of steam iron, just like I'm doing here. It will be better for you. But if you don't have steam iron, no problem. You just make sure that you iron it before you go ahead to cut the Abada to size based on what you measured. So from here you can see that it's somehow rumpled because it shrank after ironing it, but that's not a challenge. So I went ahead to cut the full length. It's the full length that I marked off like this, and I'm going to trim it off. That will be the down part of it. I'm going to trim it off after marking it. So that is done. The next thing we are going to do now is to ascertain the center of the Abada, and as you can see, this is the middle piece of the Aso Oke. So we are going to ascertain the center of the middle piece. We mark it off. Then from there you take it down also get the center, you can just mark it with a faint chalk. But then I'm working on the wrong side of the fabric, so I went ahead to confidently mark on it. Now it's time for us to mark the weight of the Abada. So this one, I impute the measurements I've made. My measurement might not be the same with yours, but whatever you measured, you go ahead and impute it here. Remember to add about 2 inches fold allowance. Add 2 inches fold allowance on both sides of the Abada for you to fold the sleeves of the Abada. That's very important. Whatever I measured there, I maintained it to the down part of the Abada. Then I use my long ruler to connect the coordinate, after which I cut it off. You are also going to do the same on the other side of it. Now, this is the center. Remember, we are going to do design on this Abada. So what I'm going to do is just to give a notch on the center, just a notch on it. Then I am going to take it to a designer who is going to make designs on it. And here is it. The designer has finished doing the design, and it is time for me to join the Abada and do the final finishings. So what I'm going to do is to double fold it this way. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so, and also share to your friends and even to your enemies. But I'm folding it face to face so that I will have the back faced up. Just like your normal Abada, you are going to run thread here. You give allowance of say 2 inches that you are going to use to fold it. Here now we are going to sew it up to like 9 to 10 inches. You are also going to do the same thing here, up to 9 to 10 inches. So that after sewing it, this is how it's going to be. You fold it this way. I have just run the thread. As you can see, this is it. You are going to open it this way. I'm going to take it to the table, fold it like this, just as you can see. I'll fold it this way. I will press it first, then I'm going to fold it like this. After folding it, I am going to run thread on it, and that I have just done, just as you can see. So the next task now is to fold the sleeves. You go ahead and fold the sleeves like this, just like you do on your normal Abada. You fold it, you can apply hemming gum, then you run thread on it, and this is the result. And this is so beautiful. This is where we are going to draw the curtains for today. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, share my videos. If you have not joined my WhatsApp platform, kindly do so. I have dropped the link and other necessary links on the comment section and also on the description box. If you have any questions, kindly make use of the comment sections to ask your questions, and I will be glad to answer you. See you next time. Thank you.